In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a document as a PDF in Microsoft Word in just a few simple steps. This is one of the easiest ways to share a document without worrying about formatting changes, and it's perfect for resumes, assignments, business documents, and anything else you want to send as a clean professional file. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and make sure everything looks exactly the way you want it to appear in the final PDF. Check your fonts, spacing, images, and page layout before exporting because the PDF kits will keep that formatting. Once you're ready, look at the top left corner of Word and click File. This opens the main menu where you can access different saving and exporting options. From there, click Export. This is the section you'll use to create a PDF file version of your document. On the export screen, you should see an option labeled Create PDF/XPS. Click that option to begin the PDF export process. Word will then open a window where you can choose the file name and the location where you want to save the PDF. Pick a folder that's easy to find, like your desktop, Documents folder, or a project folder if you want to stay organized. You can also rename the file here if needed, so it's clear and easy to identify later. After choosing the location and checking the file name, make sure the file type is set correctly for PDF export, then click Publish. Word will now generate the PDF and save it to the location you selected. Depending on the size of your document, this may only take a second or two. Once the process is complete, you can go to the folder you selected and open the PDF to confirm that everything's saved correctly. This is a great habit, especially if your document includes images, tables, or special formatting, because it lets you make sure nothing shifted during the export. And that's it. Your Word document is now saved as a PDF. This method is quick, reliable, and works great whenever you need to share a document in a format that's easy to view on almost any device. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.